Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Now click on Font Style and select one of those fonts, or click on Download More and pick one of those. Wherever you do, you can click on Download over here or Purchase Now, and then select Apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, access exactly the same settings, but this time click on Default. Lastly, click Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!